Students, today we will start chapter ecosystem. Ecosystem. This term was given by Tansley. And what do you mean by the term ecosystem? This you know, interaction between biotic and abiotic. Interaction between biotic and abiotic factor, or you can say components. Okay, what are the types of ecosystem? Terrestrial, and aquatic. What are the example of terrestrial? Forest and grassland. These are natural, okay? And in aquatic, ocean, river, lake. Ocean, river, lake. So these all are natural. There is also a man-made ecosystem, artificial, or you can say man-made or artificial. For example, man-made is aquarium, backyard. And these all are natural. And this is artificial. Okay, the next is, what are the components of ecosystem? Okay, components of ecosystem is, first is productivity. We'll discuss in detail one by one. Okay, second is decomposition. Third, energy flow. And fourth is nutrient cycle. Nutritional cycle. Okay, now first we will discuss productivity. So what do you mean by the term productivity? It is amount of organic matter synthesized by a trophic level. What do you mean by the term? Amount of organic matter synthesized by any trophic level. ओके, कितना ऑर्गेनिक मैटर सिंथेसाइज कर रहे हो और ट्रॉपिक लेवल, और यू कैन से बायोमास प्रोड्यूस बाय ट्रॉपिक लेवल इज नोन एज प्रोडक्टिविटी. इट इज़ मेजर इन, मेजर किस में होता है? What is the unit? So it is measured, very important, gram per meter square per year. Okay, it is measured as weight. And in energy, kilo calorie meter square per year. So remember, these are the unit. Okay, now next is the type of productivity. I think you people have heard what do you mean by GPP and NPP. Okay, so what do you mean by the term GPP? Types of productivity. Okay, so first is primary productivity. It is also of two type, GPP and NPP. Gross primary productivity and net primary productivity, and secondary productivity. So what are the type of these? GSP and NSP. Gross secondary productivity, net secondary productivity. Okay, so what is the amount of organic matter synthesized by any trophic level? It is measured in as weight, gram per meter square per year, as energy, kilogram, kilocalorie, and kilocalorie meter square per year. It is of two type, primary and secondary. Primary, it is of two type, GPP, NPP, and secondary is also two types, GSP and SP. Okay, so first will we discuss primary productivity. So what do you mean by the term amount of primary productivity? So primary productivity, organic matter synthesized by producer or synthesized by producer. So this, you know what you mean, producer, consumer, producer who can produce their, synthesize their own food. For example, plants. ठीक है, given during amount of organic matter synthesized by producers and during a given period of time. Okay, what do you mean by the term GPP? So what happened in GPP? टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, ठीक है, कितना मतलब ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड फॉर्म हो रहा है ग्रीन प्लांट्स में, दैट इज नोन एज जीपीपी. ओके, द रेट at which organic compounds कितना ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड फॉर्म हुआ है ग्रीन प्लांट्स में इन ग्रीन प्लांट्स पर यूनिट टाइम एंड एरिया. is known as GPP. So it is usually measured as increase in the stored energy. Now, what do you mean by the term NPP? GPP आ गया. NPP means total कितना, you can say total amount of organic matter जो produce हुआ है, form हुआ है green plant में. Now what happen? अब जितना organic compound form हुआ है plants में, it will loss in the form of respiration. Okay. देखो इन प्लांट्स व्हाट हैपन्स, एनर्जी को प्लांट्स में लोकोमोशन तो होता नहीं है जो उनको एनर्जी की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, नॉट एंड देयर इज़ डाइजेशन प्रोसेस भी नहीं होता है कि उनको एनर्जी की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. तो जितनी भी एनर्जी है वो लॉस हो जाती है इन रेस्पिरेशन. ठीक है. तो जीपीपी में जो एनर्जी लॉस हो रही है रेस्पिरेशन में, जो बचता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? एनपीपी. So what do you mean NPP? It is GPP minus respiration. Why respiration? Because in plants there is no locomotion, there is no digestion. तो जो भी एनर्जी है वो लॉस हो गई GPP से. जो एनर्जी लॉस हुई रेस्पिरेशन में इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन, द रिमेनिंग इज नोन एज NPP. Okay. Now next is secondary productivity. So secondary productivity is organic matter synthesized by consumer. Primary में producer, P for primary, P for producer. अब secondary C ऐसे याद रखना. ओके. Amount of organic matter, or you can say biomass, produce by consumer. Okay. During a given period of time. Now next is what? NSP. GSP, gross secondary productivity. Okay, so you can write the full form, just explanation is required. So GSP, total amount of organic matter synthesized. And what do you mean by the term NSP? Same for NPP. Of building up of biomass heterotrophs. ठीक है. This is known as GSP. And what do you mean by the term NSP? सिंपली व्हाट हैपन, हम लोग फॉर एग्जांपल हम लोग मैमल्स की बात करें, ह्यूमन बींग्स, तो जो एनर्जी है वो सिर्फ रेस्पिरेशन में लॉस नहीं होती, इट इज़ ऑल्सो लॉस इन मस्क्यूलर एक्टिविटी. ठीक है. हम लोग लोकोमोशन में एनर्जी लॉस होती है, डाइजेशन में लॉस होती है, रेस्पिरेशन में लॉस होती है. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग लिख लेंगे लोकोमोशन, digestion, respiration. Okay. So this is all about the GSP, NSP productivity.